Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Enorita James. I am a clinical laboratory scientist with over 22 years experience. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome to my channel. I talk about different ways of how to live a healthy lifestyle. I talk about nutrients. I talk about the kind of food you should eat for disease prevention, because I am advocate of disease prevention. I've worked in the medical field for many years, and I know that prevention is always better than cure. So today I'm going to talk about this avocado pear. You'll be amazed at the amount of nutrients, vitamins, minerals that is in this. So that if you can eat this one or even half a day, every day, you'll be surprised as what you can prevent. This is one of the fruits. In fact, this is one of my best fruits. If I'm doing intermittent fasting, if you don't know what intermittent fasting is, I think I'll have a link right there. If I'm doing intermittent fasting, I always like breaking it with an avocado pear, especially if I want to elongate my fasting. This is so good. So today I'm going to talk about the health benefits of avocado pear that will surprise you. Before I get into the health benefits of avocado pear, it is important to know what is inside this that makes it to have so many health benefits. It may surprise you to know that this simple fruit contains a lot of vitamins. Vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. It also contains a lot of minerals, like potassium and magnesium. These are particularly good for your muscles, especially your heart muscles. It contains omega-3 fatty acids. It contains a lot of antioxidants. It contains also a lot of phytonutrients, which I'm going to discuss more, that can even help in cancer prevention. So my number one health benefit of avocado pear is on your skin. Did you know that a lot of creams, moisturizing creams, have avocado pear as their base? Because of its high concentration of fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins that I've already mentioned. You know that every day as we go out, we're exposed to a lot of UV rays, we're exposed to a lot of stress, we do not have enough sleep, and all these things combine to form what I call free radicals in your body. And these free radicals affect your DNA, affect your cells, and you end up having premature aging. You age fast. But the most amazing thing about avocado pear is that it has a lot of antioxidants that can counter this effect. So you can imagine yourself eating this every day. It is countering the effect of free radicals. It is keeping your cells not to get older. Natural aging process is reducing it. So for me, this is one of the best, health benefits of avocado pear, especially if you're a woman. Who doesn't want to look younger? Who doesn't want those wrinkles to just stay away for some time? So if you want that for your skin, try avocado pear. You could even use natural avocado pear to do some paste for your face. I am not a cosmetologist, but I know that if you get into Google, you see a lot of natural ways you can create a paste for your face with avocado pear. And when you eat it, it also fights the radicals in your body to prevent, slow down the aging process. So as I said, this is a very good health benefit of avocado pear for your skin. My second health benefit of avocado pear, this is for the women. It has been shown that avocado pear can redistribute abdominal fat in women. A lot of women have abdominal fat, and most times it's due to your nutritional habits. Maybe you take a lot of food that is high in carbohydrates, most especially African women, or it could be due to the fact that you had too much, close childbearing and maybe you did not have time to take care of yourself. But recent studies that was done on women was shown that taking one avocado pear, one a day, for 12 weeks had the ability to redistribute your abdominal fat and decrease the amount of visceral fat to the subcutaneous fat. Now, don't worry. Let me explain. What is subcutaneous fat? Now, the fat that you find immediately below your skin is what is called subcutaneous fat. The fat that you find around your organs is what is called visceral fat. And now that is the fat that is very dangerous. That is what makes a fatty liver. So visceral fat is quite dangerous. And this research that was done discovered that avocado pear, one a day, had the ability to reduce visceral fat. Why is this important? Because visceral fat is the most of the underlying cause of cardiovascular disease. There have been a relationship between the two in research, that visceral fat can cause diabetes. It can also cause cardiovascular disease. So this is so exciting and so great that something just as simple as taking this one a day, maybe mixing it in your salad or even using it most times for your bread instead of butter, can go a long way to prevent cardiovascular disease and also to redistribute your fats. Especially if you have a fatty liver. Fatty liver is terrible. I think I will do a video on what happens when you do have a fatty liver. But if this can reduce that, and it doesn't cost much, especially in Africa, it only costs in Europe, yeah. But in Africa, it's not so expensive. It's something that we have, but we don't know the benefits of taking it daily. Another very vital benefit of this avocado pear, relating to what I just finished saying, is that avocado pear can help prevent obesity and diabetes. How does it do that? This pear contains a particular fatty acid called Avocado Pear. Now, Avocado Pear is something that is only found, is a fatty acid only found in this avocado pear. What does it do? When you're obese or you're diabetic, your body cannot break down fatty acids. Your body has what is called insulin insensitivity. Your body is no longer sensitive to insulin. So that's the problem. Now, because of that, your body may not be able to break down fatty acids to release ketones. And ketones are very important for cognition, for brain health. It's very important. So taking this helps your body to begin to do those functions that were compromised as a result of insulin insensitivity. So this improves your sensitivity, the sensitivity of your insulin to sugar. You know, most times medical practitioners say you're diabetic when you do your sugar test. But the amazing thing is, biochemically and through research, before your sugar becomes high, your insulin would have been high for over 10 years, for a long time. You've started being insensitive to insulin for a long time before your sugar can be high in your blood. So most times it's better you check your insulin rather than checking your sugar. Sometimes your sugar will be normal, but your insulin might not be normal. So there are a lot of people walking about pre-diabetic. Their sugars are normal, but if you check the insulin, which is where the problem really is, you'll discover that a lot of people will be prone to diabetes a few years later. So please, this is so good in making your cells sensitive to your insulin. That helps in pushing sugar into your cells to give you energy. Another very important health benefit of this is protection to your eyes. This contains two very important antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. This play a very important role in absorbing dangerous light from harming your visions. And most of these dangerous light, especially today that our eyes are on our phones, on our computers and all that, this is very good for your eyes. So take it so that it will protect your eyes. Another thing is that because of its high content of B vitamins, it also helps you in boosting your energy. B vitamin. And finally, what role does this play when it comes to cancer? Now, there are certain research that has found out that a particular compound called lutein, I think, lutein, yeah, L-U-T-E-I-N, has been shown to actually play a role in cancer prevention, especially breast cancer. And guess what? This contains a high concentration of lutein. So I don't need to say more than that. There are a lot of researches, on this. So I'm not just speaking from a point of speaking. I'm speaking from a point of having researched to find out. So if you want to know more about the health benefits of avocado pear, you can visit my website. I have a full blog post on all the health benefits of avocado pear, including the fact that it's better to actually use avocado oil when you're doing deep frying. Like if you want to fry your plantain, you want to fry your yam, it's better you use avocado pear oil. It's much better. Some people even say that it's even better than olive oil because it withstands heat and doesn't break down, it doesn't destroy the healthy benefits like some other oils when you heat them a little bit. If you want to do any kind of frying, try using this avocado oil to do your deep frying. So I think I didn't want this video to be so long. It has become so long. That's because there's so much to say about this little pear that you see here. So much. So if you've not been eating it, if it has not been part of your diet, please start today to make it part of your diet. I started making it part of my diet long ago. And it's been great. So make it part of your diet. It's very important. So thank you so much for listening. See you next time in my next video.